In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust video lighting in Google Meet. If your camera image looks a little too dark, uneven, or just not as clear as you want during a meeting, Google Meet includes a simple built-in setting that can help improve how you appear on screen. This is especially useful if you're in a room with limited light or if the lighting behind you makes your face harder to see. I'll walk you through exactly where to find this option and how to turn it on. To get started, open Google Meet and make sure your camera is active so you can preview how you look. Near the video icon, you'll see a small arrow. Go ahead and click that arrow to open the camera-related options. This menu gives you access to additional video settings beyond simply turning your camera on or off. Once that menu opens, click on Background and Effects. This area is where Google Meet places several visual tools that can change or improve how your video appears. You may already be familiar with this section if you've used background blur or virtual backgrounds before, but it also includes appearance settings that can help with image quality. After that, click on Appearance. This section contains options that affect how your video is presented, including lighting-related enhancements. If you don't immediately notice a difference yet, that's normal, but because the actual adjustment still needs to be enabled. Now look for the option called Adjust Video Lighting and toggle it on. As soon as you enable it, Google Meet will begin automatically improving the lighting in your video feed. This can help brighten your face and make the image look more balanced, which is great for professional meetings, online classes, or any call where you want to appear clearer on camera. If you want the best results, it's still a good idea to face a natural light source, or keep a lamp in front of you rather than behind you. The setting can improve your image, but it works best when paired with decent lighting in your space. You can also keep an eye on your video preview after turning it on to see whether the change looks better for your setup. And that's it. That's how to adjust video lighting in Google Meet using the built-in appearance settings. Once enabled, it can be a quick and easy way to make your video look brighter and more polished without needing any extra equipment.